The mind-body connection is so important. We do not want to ask your children to sit in a classroom and sit still all day. Kids need to move. So whether they're a baby or they're 3 years old or they're seventh graders, we know that they need to move and we know that their minds work when their bodies are moving more. So we incorporate big movement when we need to. We follow their physical cues and we teach with a lot of sign language because they remember better. Kids just remember better. The more variety of ways you can get information in them, the better off they are. And we're building what we call a memory peg in their mind. If you think of your memory as a filing system, we're going to make big files for certain topics. But then as they get older, what you want the anybody to do really is to pull out information from those files and resort the files and make connections. You can categorize knowledge and wisdom in a variety of different ways. So the more times you get information out of a file and shuffle it around and connect the dots, so to speak, between different topics, the better off you are, the greater is your thinking. The more what we call chunking you can do in your thought. So think of it like this. If you know your math facts, like your addition, your subtraction, your multiplication, and your division, then it's easier for you to do higher computations.